FLATE, the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, is leading the charge to build tomorrow's workforce. By partnering with state and community colleges across Florida, FLATE is creating a powerful platform to develop the high-skilled, high-performance talent that the industry demands. But we can't do it alone. We need leaders like you to help shape the future of manufacturing. The industry is evolving rapidly. Automation, AI, smart factories, and new technologies are changing the world. Yet companies continue to struggle to find the skilled workers with the technical expertise to keep up. To answer this skills gap, FLATE has launched a statewide engineering technology advisory board to bring industry leaders together with community college educators to solve some of the biggest challenges we have seen this century.
Hi, I'm Dean Bartles, CEO of the Manufacturing Technology Deployment Group based in Clearwater, Florida. So manufacturing is desperate to find ways to still be able to increase their efficiencies and increase their output with fewer workers, simply because there aren't enough workers available.
I'm Pete Cyrak, Vice President of Quality at Seal Dynamics. We don't do a lot of manufacturing in our facility. We outsource a bulk of our manufacturing, a lot to our local suppliers, and they're constantly facing a skilled workforce shortage.
My name is Jessica Lovett. I am the President and CEO of the VMA, the Volusia Manufacturers Association. It's been around since 1980. It was founded by manufacturers for manufacturers. One of the major problems that we have within the manufacturing industry is a lot of companies moving toward a much higher tech manufacturing process because they can run their plants 24/7 with machines. However, we don't have enough skilled labor to take over for the people who are retiring out of industry.
I'm Conchemp of Venerath. I'm with Pallet One, and I'm the Director of Operational Technology. In today's world where things are changing so much, you're starting to see an older generation who's retiring, you're starting to see a new generation come in. So how do you take those years of experience to overlay that?
And throughout the years, we've seen a lot of the technology has changed. So our equipment is getting more advanced, our skills are changing, and we have to have the ability to adapt.
We have got to do a better job of coming together and knowing what the needs are for our manufacturers and the problems that they're facing ahead.
So by being part of the advisory board with FLATE, it helps us understand and connect with our education system to know what are the skill gaps that we're having at the facility and what kind of training that can we incorporate into the program to meet that skill gap for current employees and any future employees.
I'm Mori Tusi, and I'm the Director of Engineering Technology at Polk State College. Every single member of Industry Advisory Board are employers of our students. So they know exactly what we have produced and what our weaknesses are, and they can remind us what to do, what not to do.
It's really interesting. I believe it's the first one in the country that the state of Florida has this statewide Industry Advisory Board for Engineering Technology programs. I believe is going to have a significant impact. Now you have the collective wisdom of various industry representatives across various disciplines to be able to provide the input that the community colleges desperately need.
In the state of Florida, with this advisory board, we're standardizing the education across the board, meaning you're getting the same thing in the Panhandle that you're getting in the South, that you're getting in Central Florida, that you're getting on the West Coast or the Atlantic Coast.
Being able to have that input on the board with regards to what kind of talent we're looking for, what kind of skills people need, has had a direct impact on both our company and the suppliers of our company.
I think the students that are coming out with PLC knowledge, having experience with authentic robots, having experience with just basic levels of programming PLCs and understanding. I think when you come into our production floors, you see all of that, right? So they're not afraid of it. They're not wondering what it does, and they move at a much faster pace.
No matter the challenges we face, we turn those challenges into real-world classroom solutions, solving problems and preparing our next generation of manufacturing leaders for success in this high-tech world. If you're a manufacturing leader and want to join this growing group of innovators and problem solvers, you can contact your local state or community college engineering technology program and scan the QR code or click the link below to get started. Thank you for joining us today.